I'm very honored to have received this award today. It's a rather humbling experience to be among the honorees and all these wonderful women. One thing in thinking about this that struck me is that I've been very blessed to be first at many things in my career. As a woman legal attorney starting practice in the 70s, I was the first clerk for the Missouri Supreme Court. I was the first city attorney of Columbia, Missouri. I was the first president of the state's municipal attorneys organization. But being first has its challenges. It brings many obstacles, but it also brings many, many wonderful opportunities. In thinking about this and thinking about what had contributed to this, it's really my mother. My mom showed me both by example and by words. She was a woman business owner, that I could do anything I wanted to. And my hope for women today is that there are no more firsts, that we've really done it all. And that the world recognizes that we can and have done everything. My firm was introduced to NAWBO by a client. Last year we were fairly new to the organization. We were a sponsor of NAWBO Day last year and decided to become a corporate sponsor this year. It's been an amazing opportunity. We've met so many wonderful women. We think of it as a great opportunity for our firm, and one of the things we want to do is to introduce our clients to this organization because it really provides a terrific network of support. Well, I think NAWBO is an opportunity to meet so many exciting, successful businesswomen. And it's an introduction that makes you realize that although we are all successful and we are very competitive, that this is an organization where people give back. And the women here have learned that sharing their knowledge and their ideas really is the best road to success. Our firm has a very, very strong commitment to diversity and the promotion of women. We have a women's organization internally that is very active. And we find that the interests of this organization and of our firm are greatly overlapping. And we see NAWBO as an opportunity to kind of take that to the next step beyond the four walls of our firm to women in the region. Thompson Coburn is a full-service law firm. We provide and work with a lot of small and emerging businesses and a lot of mid-sized business organizations. We really pride ourselves on being reachable, if you will. That we're people you can call up, run an idea by, ask a question, and get some real-life, hands-on experience that hopefully will be very helpful. My advice to women looking to become great leaders is really to know yourself, to know the talents that you have, to know the strengths that you have, and to bring those to the business opportunity. I think the corporate world is looking more and more to women as leaders. They understand that what we bring to the table is unique. We have unique strengths, we have unique insights. And once we have the opportunity to be leaders, I urge you as a woman to be true to yourself. Understand those talents. It will both make you a great leader and it will make you happy.